who it's from. Oh look, it's from our friends. Who remembers that, you guys?
Comment down below if you guys remember where that song is from. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I won a giveaway and I just got it today. So I won a giveaway and Brittany's Terrebonne. I'm sorry if I pronounced her last name wrong, but I won a giveaway in her channel. I will be leaving her channel in the description box for you guys to go check her out and subscribe. I'm super excited to see what I got because I kind of forgot what I got. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like inside. Ooh, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so the first thing I see here is a lip gloss, sweet peach scented, and it is a cute little flamingo with a crown. Super cute. I'm going to open it up and smell it. How cute is that, you guys? It's so adorable. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. So this is what it looks like. It's under the flamingo. And it's like a lip gloss. I'm not gonna put it on my lips because I do have like a red lipstick and I don't want it to get all smudged right now. But I'm super happy that I got this. It's so cute. I love anything that's like animal, so I'm happy with this. Okay, so the next thing I see here, it is the cutest pen ever, and it is a donut. I believe it's a donut. So this is what it looks like. Ta-da! And it's a black ink. I love this. And look at it, it's like squishy. It's like a stress ball type of thing. I don't know. Look at that. That's funny. The next thing that I see here is the cutest little notepad ever. So this is what it looks like. It is a rainbow notepad and it has white pages. Like I said before, I love writing, so this is going to be perfect. So I love this so much. Okay, the next thing I see here, this is so cute. Desktop garden flag. Life is short, make it sweet. Okay, this is so cute, you guys. Look at this. It is a little garden flag, but for your computer. So this is what it's supposed to look like. I love the little donuts. Oh my gosh, I'm craving donuts now. Okay, the last thing that I see here, it is a letter set, and it is the cutest letter set ever. It has little cactuses. Look at that, you guys. That is so cute. I love stationery, so this is like the cutest thing ever. So it comes with cards and they are blank, so you could put your own message in there. So that is so cute. It comes with 4 sheets with little cactuses down here. That is so cute. And it comes with 6 little envelopes here. I can't wait to use these. And she also sent me a little note here. It says, "Congrats on winning. Enjoy, Brittany." So that's super cute. So thank you, Brittany. I love everything that I won. It's super cute. And if you guys don't know who she is, you guys should definitely check her out. She is worth watching. I just love watching her videos. I will be linking her channel in the description box so you guys could go check her out. So yeah, that is everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.